Paano yung sa ano? Pag sa Windot?
Or sa Windot or sa Uptown.
Kaka-taste mo daw. May ganun
Hi guys, I'm Star.
Serena, Sky, Lady Mimi. Oh, that's good. The mother and the father. The three girls.
Tago daw siya sa katawan.
Anyway, so Sky lapit.
Girl, ayaw na naman. Pag sa'yo na.
So we're here at Din Tai Fung Samoa. And then after we're going to have coffee. After mag-food trip.
Ayan,
ng super.
2 hours of sleep.
Ayan. So tinakas lang nila ako from GG. Kasi may work si GG today. So,
For mga anak, and makita na natin si baby.
so what did we order? Chicken chops, fried rice, beef strips, pork xiao long bao, and then the choco xiao long bao. Xiao long bao din ba yun? And then, what else? Sila mamata dry noodles. And then si Dirty, chicken chops also.
Where's the mic?
Kaya lang nga, teka magmamic kami. So hey guys, we forgot to turn on our mic. Yan, so we already got our beef strips.
Hi, hello.
For sharing.
Thank you.
And then we're gonna start eating muna. Tas after, ano ba gagawin natin after coffee?
What's Conrad for us?
Conrad for coffee and then chill lang. Mag-walking ako kasi ilang months na ako? Magna 9 months at my 39th weekday. So, kailangan ko ng mag-todo walking and kailangan ko ng mga naps soon.
Parang payat ko dyan.
We'll keep you posted, guys. We're just gonna eat first.
Hi, we're gonna eat lang. Bye.
First time niya matikman yung crispy beef, guys. How is
Ayaw
it?
kasi mag-try ng pagkain.
First time mo? Diba?
Ako? Gulay. Meron pagkain.
Or ako. So, dapat chicken chops lang yung kay Sky, pero she liked it. You want to order another one?
Yeah.
Oh, let's order. Go, order, Serena.
Sky, ito lang ba?
Listen to Dirty.
Ito lang. Ito nakatukod tayo.
Tignan natin kung magagawa ni Sky. Pa, hindi siya nagpo-focus. Yay! Other orders are here. Nagawa ba ni Sky? Oh my.
Pwede mo piliin sila.
Thank you. Hermes Burger. Yes, ang saya. Pag masarap yung food, ganyan yan si Serena. Yes! Wait, pipicturean ko pa. Serena. So guys, get to know our parents more. Our mommy loves vegetables to the point na nagbabaon talaga siya to make sure that their food will have lots of vegetables. We love you so much, ma'am. Sa kain ng kain. Payat lang yan, but you know. I'm the preggy one, but you know. Go. Si Dirty hungry na kinain. Kailan kaya ako manganganak, guys? Comment down below if what's your date gift. So guys, ina-ask nila kailan daw birthday ni Gigi. I told them it's January 19. Baka daw kasi maging ka-birthday niya si Rigel Mateo. Pero feeling ko hindi na siya pwede umabot January 19. Though ang estimated delivery date is on January 1, 2025. That's very near na. Really? Aww. Anyway, pero masarap naman yung beef, crispy beef strips. So yun, hinuhulaan namin kailan ako manganganak. Let's ask them one by one. Dirty, anong hula mo kailan ako manganganak? Date. Dapat date.
26.
December 26 si Dirty. Next, Serena. Kailan ako manganganak? Date.
24.
December 24. Kailan ako manganganak? Date.
December 27.
Lahat may day. Marmy, kailan ako manganganak? January 3? Lapos na ako ng EDD. 30. December 30. So, si Dirty, ano ka December, Papa? Paano yung sinabi mong date? Nakalimutan niya na. December 26. Si Mermy is December 30. Serene, December 24. Para matapos na daw. Si Sky, December 27. Kasi may date siya sa December. Okay, so let's see. Ang hula namin ni Gigi actually. So, schedule. Depende sa hula. Kami ni Gigi, ang hula naming date, December 23. Kaya nag-ready siya kung ano daw nafe-feel ko para tatakbo siya from work. So, let's see. Food's here! Food's here! Yay! Yeah. Let's eat, guys! Guys, tinunang kami ng feedback. And then I told them, yung chicken chops medyo may black. Which is not usual. Kasi Serena, yung pork chow ng bawal.
It's bland.
Paano yung sa ano? Pag sa window?
Or sa greenbelt or sa uptown.
Kaka-taste mo daw. May ganun Dito,
wala din lasa.
hindi siya napag-ganon eh. So kaya pala sabi ko, parang naka-stay still lang siya. Hindi yung normal.
Hindi nga ako nagpa-order ulit.
Usually may round 2.
Usually hindi ako mapakali.
Ang sabi, ate, order pa na kasi. Wala siyang ganun ngayon, so... Although the manager asked naman for our feedback, and I think they just checked naman nila, and they really value our feedback about them. So that's a good sign.
How's the food style?
Good. Kanina, doon akong matte lipstick na yun. Shining shimmery.
Gigi, how's the food?
Delicious. I think yummy.
Chicken chops and beef strips, pareho.
Wala na yung suwid ni Papa.
Kaya nga kanina, HB na siya kasi ang tagal namin. Mermy, how's the food? Dry noodles, yun sa'yo, right?
Yummy.
With wonton. So it's a 10 over 10. 10 over 10, parental 8 over 10. Ikaw, Mermy.
1,000 over 10.
Yeah. So sila Mermy, sila ang Gen Z ba?
Yeah.
Kasi sila yung nagpo-phone after kumain. Kami, yeah, we're just fixing the plates. Sila talagang di nila tayo naririnig, no?
I don't even know what we're talking about.
Yeah. Diba? See? Hello? Phone agad kayo, guys. Phone agad.
Ganito na lang.
Excuse me, hello?
Ano?
Ano naman siya?
Ayun.
Ano na lang, life update. Ikot na lang ang...
Di mamaya yun sa coffee, yung scheduled
Mamaya.
queue.
Later. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ano ba?
Wala si Jose. Launa na.
Both guys.
Inusip.
How was it?
Wala si
Ay, choco. Nasa daw choco. I have choco sa house. Oh my God. Sabi natin, first time. Ew, Serena. Eat. Oh! Guys, ano nangyari? Ano ba?
Wala si Jose.
How is it?
Wala si
Nasa choco-choco.
Nasa daw choco-choco. I have choco-choco sa house.
Pakita niyo sa mga.
Wala si ano.
Oh my God, tapos kami sila. Mas maganda yung phone mo. Yeah. Pansin mo?
Yeah. So we're gonna finish this. This bounce na. Bye, love. Yan. So, what's in your bag read daw? Ano pa ba? Shoe wipes? Chocolate. Yes. Phone stand. Yes.
Ready sa higa.
Yes.
Ready ko yung sa hilod. May isa pa yan.
Okay. Aww. Uy, yung emergency bag ni Pa. Parang hospital bag mo. Meanwhile, hindi pa siya tapos.
Tingnan niyo yung bag ko, guys, versus sa bag ni Papa.
Walang naman yan, di ba? Balls dirty. Mga IDs niya daw. Emergency bag. Parang... The dog is so big. Oh, that's so cute. Aww. So big. Grabe. Giant doggo with labubu. Cute. Magpakita mo. It's for baby Rigel. So cute. Kaso ang laki na. Excited all.
Ang sabi ni Star, kailangan.
We need to know the size. Baka kasi mataba siya. Yes.
Kasi mga binibili natin.
Para sure. Baka hindi nakasya sa kanya agad. Sabi kasi...
For sure. Paglakas na naman, hindi ko ganun ka.
Diba? So cute. Magkakaabutan dyan.
Parang dito meeting yan.
Hello. Ako nag-shopping ha. Ako nag-shopping ha. Yeah. Ano daw? We're walking na towards Conrad. Kasi tatagtagin daw nila.
Magkadala ako
Ng lakad. Pero tago muna namin yung mga bags.
Dali na lang natin. Kasi lang pala ni
Ay,
Star
hindi na
dito,
daw.
Ras.
Hindi na, mamaya na. Yeah. Dali na lang natin.
Ay, Didi. This is my Didi.
Basag na basag siya. So, you're telling it. Ay, pumaya.
This is turn on my cap.
Wag na, hindi ako nakaano. I will tell you when to turn it on. Okay, follow instructions.
Kasi umabalo pang ano to. Camera. Dito ulit yan.
On the way to Conrad.
How about you?
Hey, what up, pretty mama? Watch where you're going. Hey, who is she?
Hi, baby Rachel.
Lahat ng film namin sira kasi pinaan namin sa next week.
Okay. Eee. Video to. Okay. Hey. Yes. Hey. Hey. Look. Ay, may flash pala. Dance? Yes. Already here. Sea Lounge Conrad. Super walang tao, guys. Like, kami lang talaga. We already ordered. And then, sadly, ito na pala yung view niya. First time ko ito nakita in person ulit. Oh my gosh. ADHD na naman siya. Yes. Waiting for our orders.
Lagyan mo fresh. Wait. Oh my gosh, look. It's like a magazine.
Hey guys, again I'm Star.
And I'm Sky.
And today we will be vlogging about the most grateful memory or thing for 2024. Q&A.
Tignan mo lang yung mukha ko.
Yung eyes mo. Anyway, so lahat kami, Redeemer me. Are you listening? What are you most grateful for or thankful for 2024? Isa-isa tayo. Una si Serena.
Money.
Nagka-money ka ba?
Today.
Okay.
Because my mama and my papa give me money because I'm a good girl.
Pero guys, talaga namang good grades siya. Yes, thank you parentals. Thank you. Sky for nothing. So,
Hindi na magsalita kasi yun na, wala akong camera.
For all of my...
Uy, grabe ko. Anyway, parents naman natin, Redeemer me.
Every 3 months.
Tsaka yung lahat ng
What
alcohol.
is
vaccine.
the thing that you're most grateful or thankful for 2024? Isa-isa.
And wisdom and
He gets the best
And-
moments.
the upcoming joy of our life.
Yes.
Mateo.
How about you, Dave?
Additional joy, of course. Additional joy.
Topic.
Papa, you forgot the ano.
How about Sky? What's yours? Something you're
What was
most
the question
grateful
again? Something I'm most
about.
grateful about. Baby Raija Mateo. Ay, nasa chan ko. Baby Raija Mateo.
Kaya 2024 na
Yes.
usually.
I can't wait to see you, Baby Raija. Because makiki-baby ako as the second mom.
Me naman, of course, our family, which I have now, is bigger than before. It's just 5 before, ngayon 7 na kami. Kasi additional si Gigi and si Baby Raija. And of course, Team Rio Florido as well. And then the next question, hello? Parang may kasama ba ako sa vlog or... The next question is, what are you looking forward to 2025? Yes. For next year to guys, so for 2025. Ako, I'm looking forward to restore our faith ni Gigi and make it stronger. Yun ang number 1 priority, not just for ourselves, pero parents na kami. So, it's going to be for baby Rigel Mateo as well. So, yun yung number 1 priority. Second is being the perfect mom I can be and the perfect wife. Yes, perfect. We have our own version of perfect. So, it can also have flaws.
Imperfectly
Yeah.
perfect ako.
The best perfect that I can be. Yes. And daughter. And, bakit ba? Ako yung sumasagot dito. Wag tayong nakikisali, joke. Ayan. And of course, daughter pa rin and sister. Diba, I'm the best sister. Sumakan lang sa Ate Sky.
Rigel Mateo, bago nagka-Rigel Mateo ako, unang anak ng aking kapatid.
Yes. So, buti na lang mag-work na rin siya. Yay! Next year yun. Napipilitan natin graduate siya agad. Kinakabahan siya kasi
Nag-uusapan niya namin ni Ashley sa
may kahati na siya si Rigel Mateo sa, wallet ko.
mauna siya.
So, yun. How about you, Ate Sky? What are you looking forward to
I
in
will look forward
2025?
to my
To the front.
wedding. To my wedding.
Yes, guys. Siya naman yung next wedding. How about you? Yes. Si Mama kinorek, yes.
Ikaw,
Kinabahan.
I have something to say. What if na-meet ko na?
Ay!
1 million followers tayo.
Ikaw, Sky. Ano? What are you looking forward to for 2020?
My birthday. Pinaplano ko na nga. Naghanap na nga ako ng Airbnb.
Wow, excited. Ay, bubuhan yung mic. Guys, ganyan talaga siya. It's so embarrassing. So, kaya ko naman lumapit sa parents kung ano yung answer nila. What are they looking forward to?
Rentals. What do you look forward in 2025? So, what are you excited about? Ano pa yung mga gusto nyo mga kaganapan? Yan. Si Leader din naman. Okay. Kasi kanina naman na si Marming.
Si mama na lang.
Si Ania, where?
Si mama mahilig sa ganyan yan.
Ito na nga, magsasalita na nga eh.
Ina-expect ko sa 2025. Siyempre, 2025, we're gonna be grandparents! We're so excited about it. To take care of Rigel and sana maging healthy Mateo and maging healthy pa ang lolo't lola para makapag-alaga kay Rigel. Nana, oo, Nana and Lolo pala. More opportunity.
Yes! Go, go, go! Yes! How about 30?
2025.
Yun lang. Maging malusot si Mate. Si Matmat.
Ano daw?
Maging okay ka sa panganganak.
Our first baby boy, di ba? Okay ka na. Ganyan ka na eh.
Para ma-offer na rin si Mateo. We've been praying for that. And all answered prayers sana. Sa 2025,
Offer Mateo to God. Yeah, and pray more for him, good health, and yeah. Yeah. Sige, explain.
So, when Stars' offer, kasi for us INC members, we don't do baptism. Oh, baptism na? No, we don't do baptism at a young age. So, usually 13 years old, if I'm not mistaken, and up. So, basta teenage days na. So, kapag babies, we offer them. So, through a prayer. In a during our worship service. So, that's what Star is saying when she says to offer Baby Rigel. So, that Baby Rigel will be part of the INC. To be an official member. For more questions or clarifications.
So, we're gonna finish our coffee right now. Say bye, parentals. We're gonna finish our coffee and then the cake we ordered or the pastries.
Good health for our parents.
Yes, for our parents. And then, yeah, we're gonna finish the chocolate cake. It's so yummy. It's so good. So,
Thank
yeah,
you
say
for
bye.
our triplets. Triplets, we love you.
Tayo lang din manonood na to. So, shout out. Pang memories na naman. Pang ano lang na gallery lang natin online. So, we hope you guys subscribe.
Bye guys, kasi airdrop ko na.
Hey, guys, say bye.
Hi! Happy
I'm Stars.
I'm Serena.
And I'm Sky. Happy
Welcome to our vlog.